Albert Einstein is perhaps the most renowned scientist of the 20th century, and his letters to cultural visionaries provide a fascinating glimpse into the mind of one of the most brilliant minds of our time. Einstein wrote letters to many prominent figures throughout his life, including politicians, world leaders, and fellow scientists. But his letters to cultural visionaries often offer a more personal insight into his thoughts and values. Einstein's letters to cultural visionaries often express his admiration for their work and his deep respect for their contributions to society. He often praised their ability to think critically and outside the box, and his letters often provide an inspirational message of hope and progress. In many of his letters, Einstein expressed his desire to see a world that embraced diversity of thought and culture. He wrote to cultural visionaries such as Leo Tolstoy, Mahatma Gandhi, and Martin Luther King, Jr., urging them to continue pushing for progress and encouraging them to use their power to make the world a better place. Einstein's letters to cultural visionaries often contained advice on how to make the world a better place. He advised Tolstoy, for example, to focus on the small things in life and to be mindful of how his actions were affecting the lives of others. To Martin Luther King, Jr., Einstein wrote a letter of encouragement, telling him to have the courage to face the uncertainties of the future with confidence. Einstein's letters to cultural visionaries also often included words of appreciation and respect. He praised Gandhi for his commitment to peace and nonviolence, and he thanked Martin Luther King, Jr. for his efforts to bring about racial equality. Einstein's letters to cultural visionaries provide an inspiring look into the mind of a genius who was passionate about making the world a better place. In these letters, Einstein showed his respect for those who had the courage to think differently and strive for progress. And his words of encouragement and advice continue to inspire us today.